For 15 years, I suffered a horrible, debilitating cough, despite being on an extreme amount of steroids. I couldn't eat, I couldn't sleep, my entire life was debilitated. And then I was referred to Dr. Forte, a pulmonologist in the Summa Health Stow-Kent Medical Center. He diagnosed me with severe asthma and developed a treatment plan that gave me hope. A key part of this treatment plan was injection therapy with Dr. Ramaniuk. After just 3 months, I was weaned off steroids, inhalers, and nasal spray. For the first time in years, the cough is gone. I want people to know that there is help for their coughing, for their asthma. I'm so grateful to the Summa Pulmonary Team. It's a miracle.